2014 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter I-Force, I think it was. Really nice truck. He's had it since 14. You can tell it's a one owner. It's really clean. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dual into a Flowmaster. We put a Flowmaster Super 40, part number 8525454. Right there, as you guys can see. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side. There and there. Into some oval tips. There and there. Just a different look. Really nice. Came out really clean. And like always, guys, please, if you like our work, make sure you subscribe and comment and all that beautiful stuff you guys do for us. And we really appreciate the support. There it is, right there. This is the old system he put on it a week after he bought it. So it's lasted since 2014, as you guys can see. That's a good system. Out with the old, in with the new. It's a little bit better throttle. It's better than the 50, it's a 40. It's a little bit deeper. 40 series Super 40 Flowmaster. Again. Give it gas a little bit higher. There we go. You can hear it. Again. There's sound decibels. One more. There it is. Right at 96. Go ahead and back it up. So deep with the 40 series. I like this muffler on it. Wow. Super 40. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments if you like that sound. Let you guys hear on the inside.